Bonani bafethu ngize nenye update about uKate Matlala. Namhlanje bekafike kwiMadlanga Commission, so he was expected ukuthi maka testify ngezinto azaziyo. So bekunento iMadlanga Commission athi ifuna ukumbuza zona. Uzokhumbula ukuthi usolwa ukuthi wa bribe amaphoyisa lapha phezulu kwa South African Police Service kanye nama politician ukuthi athole le tender. So bebezofuna nje ukumbuza imibuzo ethile about lonto ukugcwalisela kule information abasenayo already. But manje ayenzeka ngale nto leyo because kuthe kusakhulunywa nje ama lawyer kaMatlala afika asho ukuthi ayanqaba ukuthi uMatlala interviewwe bam interviewishe namhlanje because abanelisekanga ngezinto ezithile. So and uyabona, I can tell you now la khona uMatlala in a way ngasho ukuthi umuntu happy because uyayibona imali yakhe ukuthi iyamsebenzela. Uyazi uma uqasha lawyer ingase ulibone ngempela ukuthi ayiliyasebenza, and lo sisi I can tell you now ukuthi la ekhona kunama clients azowathola just because of indlela a defender ngayo. Abanye I noticed ukuthi abayithandanga indlela ekhuluma ngayo with uMadlanga because bengathi uyashouta uze wathi uyaxolisa futhi khona umbhalela imessage lo oyilawyer lika Matlala wamtshela ukuthi akuthethwa la kwi-commission. So wabuya ke waxolisa washo ukuthi akubona ukuthi umuntu othethayo mayekhuluma kodwa umuntu loud nje vele mayekhuluma. So sometimes kube ngathi uyathetha kanti cha ukhulumela phansi. So kwaba uxolisa noMadlanga wabonisa ukuthi umuntu ongenankinga naleyo nto le uze wa court case naye la khona ngesikhathi eseseyilawyer emthatha futhi khona ijudge yamtshela naye ukuthi uyathetha. So bekumbonisa nje uMadlanga bekabonisa ama lawyer kaKate Matlala ukuthi akazange abe offended, but you could see ukuthi ikhona la tension ekade ikhona. Ngizokufakela nje ivideo uyibuke la. So and i-argument yabo is that ama lawyer kaMatlala is that uMatlala akakwazi ukukhuluma kwiMadlanga Commission because of kunamalungelo ambamba ukuthi angakhulumi ngenxa ye-case azobhekana nayo ngoMonday nge-20. So whatever azoyithetha kwiMadlanga Commission ingasuke ithathwe iyo edwa kwi-case yaMonday. So bathi ke ngokomthetho bese kuphikiswana ngokomthetho ke bathi i-argument yabo kakhulu is that section 35 of i-Constitution uzokhumbula ukuthi i-Constitution yethu ibalwe ngeyinamba into ezikavarisha ukuthi unumber 1 ukavarisha le, number 2 ukavarisha le. So unumber 35 of i-Constitution yethu uprotecta abantu asebaboshiwe or abasejele noma basabhekane namacala njengoKate Matlala. If uyabheka usesejele but kunamacala abhekane nawo angakagwetshelwa wona. So akakwazi ke manje ngenxa yokuthi lamalungelo ayamprotect, akakwazi ke manje ukuthi angakhuluma into kuMadlanga Commission lento bese iyosetshenziswa phambili. That's why namaphoyisa mayekubopha athi you have the right to remain silent because uprotectwa ilo mthetho lo section 35 othi awukwazi uvela ukhulume noma yini because izobe isebenziswa against wena ecourt. So namaloya kaKate Matlala wameke leyo nto leyo ukuthi asikwazi ukumyeka ezamaloya akhe akhulume into ezophinda isetshenziswe ecourt Monday. So maqale aye court kukhulunywe, and 2 kunama documents esifuna ukwabona because all along uMatlala bekahamba court but kunama document angakafiki kithi. And one of izinto engenze ngabona ngathi noko ngiyamsizela uMatlala kule party noma I'm not saying we innocent but kulama voice note akade edlalwa kule Madlanga Commission. So amanye ayamthinta uKate Matlala. So uthi because bekahamba amanye ama cases akatholanga ithuba enough lokuthi abheke ama voice alalele lama voice note wonke because awukwazi ukuvela ulalela ivoice note nje efika isi half. Instead kumele uwazi ukuthi le voice note ithathwe from i-conversation. So thola ukuthi alama voice note neswalalela kuMadlanga Commission mhlawumbe ifika kithi su 1 minute but uthola ukuthi isuka kwi-voice note ka 5 minutes. So you have to listen to yonke la voice note uzokwazi ukuzwa ukuthi uthini. So uzokhulumane ke kuMadlanga Commission engakezwa ukuthi ama voice note i-gist yawo bithini kahle kahle. But kuyo yonke lento le neMadlanga Commission raise into ebalekile ukuthi nibe nesikhathi sonke before awani ngayisho ngolonto kudala ukuthi nizositshela namhlanje sesipreparishile ukuthi sizosebenza but nina senifika nikhuluma lento eniyikhulumayo. So ngifuna uyibuke nje le video engizoyifaka manje ekamama uSilo eyisho lento leyo ukuthi bekumele abe nisitshele on time ukuthi nisadinga esinye isikhathi yonke lento because manje silana and sekumele siphinde sikhansele yet isikhathi siyahamba. And in a way I feel ukuthi mina lento lena I don't know ucabanga nje but I feel ukuthi manje ngazothi abantu aba-interviewa iMadlanga Commission basebenzisa ama-delaying tactics because they hoped ukuthi ngoJuly izobe sekuphele yonke into enoMadlanga pha ya-extendwa. So ngoku it's like baphelelwa ama-tricks ukuthi bazodelaya njani yonke lento le so that ingafiki because abanye abantu bayagula. Umzekelo uKarim iMadlanga Commission ithi utholakele namhlanje ubonakele emini izolo ese-Cape Town e-restaurant but kwazi ukuthi uyagula akakwazi ukuza kuMadlanga Commission. So uyabona bonga they hoped ukuthi kuzofika isikhathi la khona kukhona umuntu ogulayo yonke lento le. So I don't know but ngicela ubuke le video then siphinde sibuye la khona kune interaction between ama lawyers kaKate Matlala with uMadlanga then siphinde siqhubeke.
As an officer officer of the court, which of those...
I'm not,
please, if
no,
I may-
no, I will not give you time when you seem not to understand me. I am saying, I'm not interested in the nitty-gritty of what falls under the Section 35 bucket. I'm not interested in that nitty-gritty. I'm looking at the broader question of, on those issues on which there is no question whatsoever, which can be dealt with by this commission, and you've agreed that there are. On those questions, why can't those questions be heard before the criminal process has been finalized? Whether, even accepting, as you argue, that there are some issues coming out of the plea deal which fall under the Section 35 basket, even accepting that, you have said there are some which do not fall under that basket, and my focus is only on those aspects that do not fall under that basket. So clearly, what you've just said about the plea deal is irrelevant to my question.
With the greatest of respect, it's not irrelevant, Chairperson, because I cannot at this point in all, as an officer of the court, distinguish between what we can answer and what we can't answer. We can only say to you, the only things...
You will never understand me. Please go on to your next point.
No, I do understand you quite clearly. The only issues that my client can answer, Chairperson, at this point, that we say that we form common cause on is who he doesn't know on the list of the 10-6. The rest of the issues, if I may please, the rest of the issues, I cannot say to you, I am prepared to answer this because I don't know if I can.
I have not asked you that. You are trying to answer a question which I have not asked you. I've not asked.
Now that usuyibukile le video and kunento eziclear ezivelayo ukuthi one bakhala ngokuthi abakawaboni ama documents wonke adibene nale investigation against uMatlala, so abakwazi ukuthi uzophendula thini because manje bamtshela ukuthi okay la uzophendula uthi la just ukuthi aziprotect indlela not ukuthi akhuluma manga but indlela akhuluma ngayo makungathi kanti indlela ezophinda ibackfire ngomso because ilungelo lakhe ukuthi makakhuluma into engeke imfake ecaleni. And two bakhala ngokuthi abawazi amacala uMatlala abhekane nawo amanye kanti bekuzobabhetha ukube bayazi ukuthi uMatlala ubhekane namacala u5 so bazodiyana but ungazi ukuthi every time uMatlala evela kunecala elivelayo so ingase amacala wonke abe khona then kudilwe naleyo nto leyo iside lama lawyers kaMatlala. And enye into abakhala ngayo is that njengoba sengichazile bekune plea deal before bekune deal yokuthi uMatlala uzoba i-state witness, and so kunama documents adenziwa throughout sonke leso sikhathi, but now lawo ma document awatholakali but ama lawyers ayawafuna because they have to represent uMatlala so that whatever kwenzakala kuMatlala athole isigwebo noma utholakala guilty but makube isigwebo esincane or angatholakali guilty at all. Now abantu abaningi uyazi usually when you watch izinto uyibuza ukuthi why ama lawyer azo defend labantu because ba guilty labantu, and everyone knows ukuthi noma kuthiwa icourt ayika decide but engqondweni zethu sonke siyacabanga ukuthi laba ziyabakhalela. Ilawyer kumele ulithathe njengomuntu udoctor. Uma udoctor efika esibhedlela akumelanga abuze ukuthi isigebengu lesi uinnocent lo unjani njani. Okwabo ezodoctor ukuthi banikeza umuntu ogulayo kumele bemkhiphe phila phela. So nama lawyer noma bekuthiwa, that's why ufumana ukuthi noma bekuthiwa isigebengu senzeni but the fact is that uze kwi lawyer kumele defend umthetho loyo oshoyo. So I've seen abantu be against ama lawyers akhe sebefuna something better but egcineni you need to understand ukuthi noma bekuthiwa ba represent abantu but benza umsebenzi wabo bayafana no doctor because uma umphakathi uqeda ukushaya iphara because belitshontshile or belenzeni liyahamba lesibhedlela liyolungiswa ukuze libuye lizohlala emphakathini or liyejele. Even nama neziboshwa ejele zinelungelo to doctor. So asikwazi ke manje bese siba nenkinga nama lawyer kaKhethi Matlala because benza umsebenzi wabo egcini. So another argument is that bafuna ukuthi ba understand yonke lento efunwa iMadlanga Commission, then bazobe sebama advisor kuMatlala ukuthi you can testify la or unga testify la. Yona into abayifuna kakhulu. Now that ulizwile side le argument kaMatlala nama ne team yakhe, i-team kaMadlanga yona ithi fine siyanizwa ukuthi nithi protector amalungelo kaKhethi Matlala, into right leyo ukuthi niyenze vele, but it doesn't mean ukuthi simbize la ukuthi sizomquestiona ngezinto ezifunwa icourt because khumbula ukuthi uKhethi Matlala kunezinto ezise court lezi ingathi la criminal case yakhe le ezobe yophendula kuyo Monday. But iMadlanga Commission ithi asingeke sibuze zona kuphela lezo questions, sizobuza namanye ama questions angadibananga with ile case asaba ukuthi uzobe se azibhimpa kuyo mhlawumbe akhuluma into wrong ezomenza ukuthi isetshenziswe kule court. Sizobuza neminye imibuzo then uMatlala methi yena akekho comfortable ukuyiphendula lemibuzo fine izophelela lapha. So iyona argument uMatlala kade ubaba uMadlanga kade ebhekane nayo nalento ukuthi they were against indaba yokuthi makupostpone. Why kuzopostpone yethi sininike ixesha enough lokuthi niplane yonke lento le but nizositshela namhlanje ukuthi niyapostpone. Same thing eyenzeke nakubaba uAndrea Johnson, bamnika isikhathi sonke but ngelanga le event wavela wagula. No Khan kwenzeka same thing ngelanga le event wagula. Nalo doctor ngazo i-dentist or yini lo owabonakala kwi-video ephethe imali eningi ekhuluma noMatlala naye ngesikhathi kumele afike kwiMadlanga Commission kwathi uyagula akekho right. So uyabona ukuthi bonke labantu laba badlala ama delaying tactics in a way, as much as we don't have proof ukuthi ngabe ngempela baya delay or what, but kuyabonakala ukuthi indlela benza ngayo ungazi ukuthi abafuni ukuthi baze befike lapha. I'm happy nje ukuthi one wabo ukuthi ubonakele somewhere. Ngifuna ukudlala le video zokuthi kuthiwa wenzakaleni, so kuzobhalelwa no doctor bakhona, then kutholakala ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani. So ngicela uyilalele siphinde siqhubeke.
Both confirming that Mr. Karim and an entourage had been seen yesterday going out for lunch at a shopping centre in the Western Cape. The two reports corroborated the same details. They seem to be independent of one another, and they've now been confirmed by eyewitnesses at that shopping centre, who we have independently contacted. So we now have it from multiple different sources that someone who seemed very much to be Mr. Karim arrived at the shopping centre with an entourage, went into Woolworths before going off to have a late lunch at a restaurant in the shopping centre. We've subpoenaed CCTV footage from the shopping centre, and we expect to have it received, and we expect to have it thoroughly analysed by midday tomorrow. For now, we have a concern that Mr. Karim may be taking liberties with this commission. And that concern is amplified by other whistleblower reports that we've received indicating that Mr. Karim has been seen at social gatherings in the Northwest over his period of ostensible incapacity. So we are going to issue a subpoena later today to the hospitals at which he's been receiving treatment to establish when he was admitted and when he was discharged, since he testified at the commission. We're also going to be issuing a subpoena to his doctor, who's based in Cape Town, to establish the dates on which he has seen Mr. Karim. And we don't expect that it will take us more than a day.
So now that we bukele le video, ekugcineni ke into ifike isithi fine icase kaMatlala izopostponelwa from E1 September. That means akubekwa nge1 September kuphela, but from E1 that means mabemfuna nge2 akwazi ukuthi akekho available, mabemfuna nge3 akwazi ukuthi akekho available. So le viki lonke nje le1 kuzomela uMatlala enze sure ukuthi available and uphendula yonke imibuzo. Ngishabe kuthiwa kune court case eyenzakalayo, so kugcine kuvunyelwana ngalo. If uyibukele nje iMadlanga Commission uzonotice ukuthi bekunama break amaningi kakhulu, because ngokomthetho kumele uMadlanga abanike ithuba lokuthi bediscuss ko reach agreement yonke lento le. So kugcine kuvunyelwana ngaleyo nto leyo. Nalento ukuthi umama uSilo uyiraise indaba yokuthi kumele manje iMadlanga Commission idile nalento yokuthi abantu befuna ukudelay izinto intentional beze nama excuse, because if iyabheka manje iMadlanga Commission iyakwazi ukuspend isikhathi eside kabi idiscussa nje ipoint eyi1. Ufumana ukuthi manje isikhathi sihambile kuhamba almost 1 hour yonke. By the time bezama ukumuvela ku point number 2 sekuyi tea break, by the time bemuvela ku point number 3 ilunch nenini sekumele beyeke kuphinde kubizwe omunye umuntu. So in a way uyabona ukube kuya ngami ngabe ngithi kumele kusetshenziswe le strategy sebhola lokuthi isikhathi esidlekile sizoseda phambili, so ingasapheli ngoDecember njengoba kuplaniwe, but kubuke nokuthi umzekelo nje kule viki leli into effective eyenzakele indaba kaBaba uPhadi yakhe qha. So uye umuntu ongabalekanga abasadile naye this week alone. So laba abanye bonke basimoshela isikhathi, so bekumele ukuthi lamalanga lawa ayo edwa ngale gcineni, so that kwazi ukuthi noma kuthiwa benzane sizobalinda ngale phambili, because kuyabonakala ukuthi abanye abantu baplana nje ukuthi they can